In 1999, I got the lowest configuration Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. Many friends also asked me to review the gaming performance of this phone. So how is it really? Okay, let's first take a look at its appearance and configuration. As for the screen, it has a 6.83-inch flat screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a resolution of 2772 by 1280. It features a metal frame and a glass back cover. When you hold it in your hand, the first impression is, wow, it's quite large. It's quite heavy and has a square design. On a flat surface, it stands up easily. On the back, it features a dual camera setup with 50 million pixels. In terms of performance, it is equipped with the Snapdragon 8S and 4 processor. My unit has 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, along with a large 7550 mAh battery and 90W charging. In turbo mode, I scored 1.95 million points, surpassing 71% of users. As for gaming, I checked, and HDR Extreme is fine, and smoothness is at 90, so let's play smoothly at 90. We've also enabled the turbo mode in the game. The room temperature is 24.4 degrees and the battery is at 93%. Let's start directly, and we've successfully entered the game. Let's check the flight path. Then, I suppose there shouldn't be many people in the first round. Let's take a look at the spawn point, and we'll record the frame rate directly. Let me see.
Spawn point, huh?
Spawn point 80 frames.
Alright, okay. It's okay now, sign.
Oh, it's 90 now. Anyway, it's jumping around like this. Usually it's 80, brother. It's 77 now. Oh, wow. This round is a bit far, so we won't jump here. There definitely won't be many people. Let's head to a closer spot. There are a lot of people this round, brothers. Over 27 people. Let me see. 27. Okay.
Let's see again. 27, no problem. I'm heading to the broken door.
Okay, let's play for 25 minutes. After playing on the phone, it's at 48.9 degrees. The battery is still at 85%, consuming 8%. Let's look at the array diagram, brothers. We played 2 rounds. The first round, this small fluctuation was at the spawn point, our first small gunfight point. This round ended. In the second round, there were over 20 people. Well, there's nothing wrong with the frame rate. It's just that when playing, I feel the handling is a bit off. It feels a bit uncomfortable when swaying left and right. Other than the heating issue, there's nothing else. It really depends on personal choice. If you don't have a big budget, buying a phone to play PUBG smoothly at 90 frames is also fine.